Hey there, Aaron with UglyWeeds, 1-800 Lawn Care. Out on my daily run, stopping by this pear tree here. We had some windy days a few weeks ago, and this tree had some limbs break off. These trees have a lifespan of about 20 to 25 years. And if you're getting 25 years out of your tree, you're probably in a blue zone for trees. They're really thin bark trees, and they break off real easy. So if you have one this size, I recommend just cutting it down, and if you want to put something else, that's fine, or have no tree. But this tree's going to break, and it's already been breaking over the last few years. There's ones across the street. I'll post the pictures of that here, and it's just the house across the street has the same issue. High winds and these pear trees don't mix, and especially if they're the older trees. So if you do have these trees, really consider cutting it down. If you need a referral to a tree service, give our office a call at 1-800 Lawn Care, and we can refer someone to you. You can also go to our website at uglyweeds.com and contact us that way. If you have any questions, give me a holler. Have a good one.